Today we've got the ultimate no BS guide to finding influencers for your brand. Buckle up, because we're about to show you the most effective ways to boost your brand's visibility and reach through influencer marketing. Let's dive in and make this your best influencer discovery journey ever. Let's talk why is influencer marketing important for brands? Influencer marketing is a powerful way for brands to reach their target audience and drive engagement. When done well, influencer marketing can help brands to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, build relationships with customers. So let's see the 5 ways to finding influencers for your brand. Know your ideal customers. To define your target audience, analyze your current customers and social media followers. Pay attention to common traits like age, interests, and location. Create a simple buyer persona based on this data. Understanding your best customers and the content they engage with will help you find influencers whose followers match your target audience. Finding the right fit is crucial for successful influencer marketing. Social media listening. We're not stopping there. It's time to unleash the power of social media listening. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. Monitor hashtags, mentions, conversations, and relevant keywords related to your industry or niche. Engage with those who already adore your products or services and boast a massive following. They could be your soon-to-be brand advocates or epic influencers who'll make your message go viral. Influencer platforms and tools. Hold on tight, because we've got some mind-blowing influencer platforms and tools coming your way. Forget about hours of endless searching. These platforms have got your back. Check out gems like Influencity, Aspire IQ, Trocker, BuzzSumo, Clear, and Upfluence. With their databases, you can search for influencers like a pro. Choose your criteria, and your dream influencers are just a click away. Utilize Google and social media search. Hey, it's time to call in the big guns. Google and social media search. Think of this as your secret weapon to unearth hidden gems in the influencer world. Instead of just searching for broad terms, try using long-tail keywords like best running shoes for women. These specific searches will lead you to influencers who cater to niche audiences, making your campaign more targeted and effective. Leverage influencer agencies and networks. We're not stopping now because we've got a game changer up our sleeves. Influencer agencies and networks. These superheroes have connections that will blow your mind. They've got vast networks of influencers from all walks of life, and they'll find the perfect match for your brand. Working with them is like unlocking a treasure trove of influencer possibilities. Congratulations! You've made it through the guide to finding influencers for your brand. Remember, it's all about authenticity and making genuine connections with your audience. So, go forth, discover your dream influencers, and watch your brand skyrocket to success. Thanks for tuning in and joining us on this thrilling influencer adventure. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. Stay excited, stay trusted, and we'll see you next time with more marketing magic.